This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your area and tools so nothing moves mid-apply. Clean the laptop screen with a microfiber and included alcohol wipe, then use a dust sticker to remove tiny particles. This prevents trapped bubbles. Once done, lay the protector over the screen without peeling to check fit and alignment. Make sure edges match ports and webcam cutouts. If alignment looks off, reposition until centered. You want a single confident placement rather than repeated fiddling. You now start the controlled application. Peel a small section of the backing and align the top edge with the screen, ensuring camera and bezel openings match. Gently lower the exposed edge and press with a squeegee from center toward the sides to push air out. This reduces bubbles and stress on the film. Once that section is secure, peel more backing and continue smoothing in increments. Make sure to keep steady pressure and check alignment as you progress to prevent misplacement. You finish by sealing edges and fixing problems. Run the squeegee firmly around the perimeter to bond adhesive fully. This prevents peeling at corners. If you encounter small bubbles, lift the nearest corner a bit, use a dust sticker to remove debris, then reapply and squeegee outward. For large misalignment or stubborn defects, remove the protector, reclean the screen thoroughly, and repeat the alignment steps. It's faster to redo than to force a poorly placed protector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.